Welcome students. Today you are going to know about the expansions using formula a plus b whole cube. So, what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? That first you have to know. The formula is this, that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus into over here into a plus b. This is the formula, all right. So, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. So, using this particular formula, we will be doing some work. Let us do this work, all right. Like 3a plus 2b whole cube. So, in this case you consider that 3a as a and 2b as b. So, a plus b whole cube, all right. So, here you can easily do it by giving the signature, giving the sign. Here you can do, first one is a cube, that means 3a whole cube plus this one 2b cube plus the formula 3 first term into second term ab, okay, that means 3a into 2b and then into first term plus second term 3a plus 2b, all right. So, this is the arrangement as per the formula of a plus b whole cube. So, now when you do it, work it out, then remember it is cube not square, okay. So, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and when you multiply a 3 times, then it becomes a cube, all right. Similarly, here 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 b cube plus 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 a and b, and then you see over here it is written here 3a plus 2b. So, now this part is almost over, but only your work is left over here, okay. You have to work it out. So, write as it is given, a cube plus 8 b cube plus 18 3 54. So, a into a square and b, that first, this one is first one, the second one plus 18 2s are 36, a is here and b square, all right. So, when you do it, then you get the answer. Remember it, okay. Sum is not difficult, only carefully you have to apply the formula and you have to good in your multiplication, division, okay, all these fundamental things of the mathematics. Another sum I am doing. So, now I am going to use the second formula, that is a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab or thrice ab into a minus b, okay. So, here I am going to do one particular sum by applying this particular formula, okay. Remember it. So, the sum is number 2, this is 2x minus 3y whole cube. Okay. So, apply the formula. When you apply this formula, what is happening? Here first this one 2x cube, that is as per this, minus second term cube whole cube minus thrice 2x into 3y into 2x minus 3y. You have to do very carefully, do not make any mistake. Here it is 8x cube. Remember, you are dealing with cube, okay, not square. Minus 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 y cube minus, here it is 3 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 into 2, 18 into 2, so 36, alright, and here what you get, x square and y only once. Then again minus minus plus, remember this is very important thing, many students make mistake over here only, okay, minus minus plus, but they put here minus, okay. So, you need to be careful, okay, when you do it. So, now over here 3 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 3 is 54 and x x y, that means x y square, alright. So, this is your answer, alright. So, only you need to be very careful when you are dealing with the formula, okay. So, now in this sum you see the find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube when 2x minus 3y is equals to 20 and xy equals to 3. So, these things datas are given, but you have to find this one. But remember that the clue or the hint is given in this particular sum, and since you are doing a minus b whole cube sums, so you have to keep in mind that these sums are being applied over here, okay. This particular formula is being applied over here. So, over here what we will consider that this one, okay. So, let us take this one 2x minus 3y whole cube, alright. So, this formula, okay, will give us this one, remember, because in our previous sum we have got that 2x is equal to 8x cube. So, that gives us the clue, okay. So, here now do it. So, what is the value of 2x minus 3y is equal to 20. So, let it be 20 cube, okay. It is like a simple equation, alright. So, here you are going to do, if you just work it out, what will you get? What will you get? So, that is the main thing, okay. So, you know very well 8x cube will get, alright. Then you will get minus 27 y cube you will get, alright. Then over here minus 3 into first term, that is 2x into 3y and 2x minus 3y. So, this 2x minus 3y, the value is already given over here 20. So, we will use this particular value, alright. So, in this case look over here 8x cube, we have to find 8x cube minus 27y cube. So, that one I am writing here 27y cube, and over here you be careful what I am doing here. Okay, 3 to the 6, 6 to the minus, here you see 18 minus 18 into 3 into 3. Okay. You can use this sign also, you can use, there is no problem. And this for particular this thing 2x minus 3 is equal to 20 is given over here. So, into 20, all right. So, what you are going to get? Now, you just see what I am going to do, that 8x cube minus 27y cube equals to, this one was over here, you can give 20, this one is left. So, then again you have to give 20, all right. So, when you do it, I mean when you are getting only 8,000, okay, 8,000 you are getting here, and remember that over here when you multiply, all right, 18 into 3 into 20, then what you are going to get? You are going to get 1080. You can check it, okay. And then the next equal sign, 8x cube minus 27y cube, this minus sign, okay, minus sign 8,000, and this minus sign, that means this is going on the from the left side to the right side. So, with the change of sign plus 1080, okay, 1080. So, ultimately what you are going to get? Therefore, 8x cube minus 27y cube, you have to find out this one, okay. So, this is the value you are going to get, that is 0.809. This is your answer. This is your answer, okay. Very interesting sum. You have to use your formula, okay, with intellect. Remember that once you practice few sums like this, then it will be easy for you, okay. Here is another interesting sum I am going to do. That is number 4, x cube minus 1 by x cube, we have to calculate, okay. We have to calculate this thing, that means calculate, okay, this one. If x minus 1 by x equals to 4. So, here what we find, that here x minus, here it will be x, this one, okay. Here what we are doing, here we are actually using this particular thing, okay, and we are cubing both sides, okay, cubing both sides, cubing both sides. So, then in that case x minus 1 by x whole cube equals to 4 whole cube, all right. Then if we do this one, it is a very simple sum, okay, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3x 1 by x, 3 is the formula, remember, huh? X minus 1 upon x, okay, and over here 4 cube, That means 64, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, that you have to keep in mind. Okay. So, you are just indicating, this implies that. Okay. So, here the part is very interesting, that your sum that calculate this one x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay. So, let it be over here x cube minus 1 by x cube, and what is over here? If you cancel x and x, then 3 remains. Okay. Over here minus 3, because you are cancelling this and this, all right. And then x minus 1 upon x, this value is given over here, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 4. So, you can write it 4, okay, and equals to 64. And once more you just write it, okay, and this 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, remember that is a minus, okay, minus 12. So, this minus 12, when it will come on the right hand side from the left hand side, the change of sign, that minus will be plus 12, okay. And therefore, x is cube by 1 by x is cube equals to, if you make it plus, you will get 76. This is your answer. Okay. So, keep on practicing to gain the mastery over it. Thank you.